A solid consisting of a right circular cone of height 120 centimeter and radius 60 centimeter standing on a hemisphere. Standing on a hemisphere means there is a cone like this and it is standing on a hemisphere. So this would be the shape, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
there is a cone which is standing on this hemisphere. I can draw this hemisphere to give you a better picture. Okay. It is placed upright. Upright means straight.
Ma'am, straight.
In a right circular cylinder full of water, such that it touches the bottom. This is placed upright. Upright means as it is. इसको किसमें रख दिया बेटा? It is put in what? It is put in a
Cylinder.
So there is a cylinder, children, which is full of
Water.
This is full of water. Now you're going to place this. You're going to place this as it is. Upright down, upside, upright. So you have placed it like this. Getting my point?
Yes,
now,
ma'am.
since the cylinder was full of water, when a solid is placed in it, will the water flow out?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Some water will definitely flow out. Now the question is, find the volume of water left in the cylinder if the radius of the cylinder is 60 and height is 180. So how to find the volume of water left in the cylinder? How to do that?
Volume of cylinder
Volume of cylinder.
minus
Mi-
volume
Minus
Volume
volume.
of
Because
cone and
we know the amount of water which has flown out. The amount of water which has flown out is actually equal to the volume of solid by Archimedes principle.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? जितना
Yes,
पानी
ma'am.
बाहर जाएगा वो solid की volume के equal होगा. तो यानी the volume of water which is left in the container should be the volume of cylinder minus
Volume of cone and hemisphere.
hemisphere. Is the question clear, children?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Now look at the interesting part. Look at the interesting part. What is the height of the cone given to us?
120 centimeter.
120
Ma'am,
centimeter.
120.
What is the radius given?
60
Ma'am,
centimeter.
60.
Centimeter.
And what is the radius of the cylinder given to us?
Ma'am,
60.
60.
That also is 60. And what is the height of cylinder given?
180
180.
180.
I hope you know, if we have a hemisphere with radius 60, so this will also be how many centimeter?
60 centimeter.
60.
60 centimeter.
60 and 120 makes it
180.
180.
is equivalent to the height of cylinder. So that means it will touch the cylinder also. So let me make a correct figure again. Let us have a cylinder. You may also draw a rough figure, children, for your sake of convenience. Let us have a cylinder. Okay. Then we have a cone here. And a hemisphere. Okay. Also, let us show water here. Till here, it's 120 centimeter. Radius is 60. And this total is 180. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let me just write down. Let radius R is equal 60 centimeter. We have two heights. One is the height of cylinder and one the height of cone. So we need to specify height of cone. Let it be small h, which is 120 centimeter. Height of cylinder, let it be capital H, and this is equal to 180 centimeter. Okay. Now, volume of water left in cylinder is equal to volume of cylinder minus, in the bracket I am going to write down beta, volume of cone plus hemisphere. This has to be put in the bracket. And when you open the bracket, what will happen to this plus?
It will minus हो जाएगा.
Ma'am, minus.
Yes. What is the volume of cylinder, children? Formula.
Pi r square h.
Pi r square h.
Where we will have capital H here. Right? Volume of cone.
1 by 3 pi r square h.
By 3
by 3 pi.
Correct.
Okay. Minus plus minus. Volume of hemisphere.
2 by 3
2
pi
by
r
3
cube.
2 by 3 pi r cube.
2 by 3 pi r cube.
Okay. So something we can take common throughout. What is that?
Pi.
Ma'am,
Pi
pi
r
r, pi
square.
r.
R square.
Pi r square.
Square.
So let me take this pi r square common. So I will have capital H minus h upon 3 minus 2 upon 3 into my r. Okay, beta? Yes? Let us put the values. R is 60. Pi ko we do not know whether we should be taking 3.14 or 22 by 7. Let us solve the bracket and see if we are getting a multiple of 7. If we get a multiple of 7, great. We will take 22 upon 7. Otherwise, 3.14. Okay. So let me just put it pi only for the time being. Pi into 60 into 60. H is 180. Small h is 120 upon my 3 minus 2 by 3 into my 60. And then we have centimeter cube. All right. Now 120 upon 3 makes it 40. 3 ones are 20. And 2 into 20 is also 40. Yes, beta. So what will you get now? 16, 180 minus 40 minus 40. How much it is coming out to be?
100.
100, which is a multiple of 7. So what should we go for pi? What should we put for pi?
3.14.
3.14.
3.1.
3.14, 6 into 6, 36. And then 2 zeros. This is 180 minus 80, which makes it 100. Now children, if you multiply 3.14 into 100. 3.14 by 100.
314.
2 decimals and 2 zeros will be adjusted. So it is 314 into 3600 centimeter cube. Make sure you are writing units at each and every step. Okay. Please multiply and let me know the answer.
मैम 13.2 में हमें 22 by 7 नहीं लेना पाई उसमें स्टार्टिंग में लिखा हुआ है
Oh, that's okay. Question mein we do not take something like that. We will take it according to our convenience. Okay. So 2 zeros I put. Kindly tell me 314 into 36.
Ma'am, 3-1. Ma'am, 11304.
3 1.
Ma'am, 3 is not there. Ma'am, in the starting.
Okay. What is there then?
11304.
Is everyone getting the same answer? Please verify.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Yes, Mayank.